Welcome back, students. In this session we are going to complete the registration page using the JavaScript. In the previous lecture we have completed that portion using the JavaScript. This much portion we have completed, right? Okay, and if you remove anything and if you forgot to enter any task, then it will be enter the proper address will open it. Okay, that dialog box will be appear. So in today's tutorial we will start it again. Remaining portion we will solve, like radio button, checkbox and the selection tool we will complete in this session. Okay, so I hope you understand all these lectures, and like and share to my videos also. Okay, now let's start it. We are going to click on, before we are proceeding we should know the we have assigned this name of this particular field, right? So we'll click here, and here we will have selection form field option is there. So group name is mail and chk mail is there. Okay, so we are going to here. Now as you know, we have created one function validate form. Inside that we have written this for the first name, middle name, last name and the text address. Now after this we are going to apply a validation to the selection tool like this. See, in this which is given in your textbook here, like see, we have to again count that particular if condition, we have to use it. Okay, so let's check it. If and our page name, so here we have written document dot registration dot value. We will copy it and we will paste it here. Okay, now what to write here, we have to check it form one dot gender of 0, but here not gender is there, here we have written here a male is there. Okay, because as we know, see, as you can see here I have assigned form name, not form name but the group name is male, capital male is there. Okay, so I have written here capital male here, here, right, capital male dot value of 0. So first index it is for the 0. Okay, so we'll keep in the bracket and it will be 0 dot checked. If it is checked, means first checkbox is checked, equals to false. False means it is not checked, it is not checked. And similarly we'll copy this and copy and paste it here. It is for the 1, means female. Okay, both of them, if it is not selected, then we will type a specific message here. Okay, and for that message, as we know what to type here, these things we will copy here and we will paste it here. We'll paste here, please select the gender first. Okay, and our focus should be on the same, so focus will be on the 0. So registration dot mail of 0, got it, and return should be nothing. Now let's try to run it, apply this, type this for this one and also this one, but try to submit it. Please select the gender first. Okay, if you don't select it, we have to select it and then you can submit it. Okay, so this way we can apply the validation to the our checkbox also, radio button in also. Now we are going to apply same for the checkbox. Okay, so now what to write in checkbox, so let's see. Inside this we return same document.form.hobby of 0, 1 or 2, whatever. So we'll copy the same. Okay, we'll copy this one and paste it here. Okay, inside that we will type here document.registration dot. Now we have to check the group name of the checkbox. Okay, so here we'll click here, go to the form field. Now check here, name is hobby, group name is hobby. So come back there and instead of the mail, hobby. Okay, hobby of 0 is equal to checked or false, hobby of 1 is equals to false, or we will click same and control C. Okay, and it will be control V. For this it will be 2 here, if it is false, then what to do? See, everything is in this become false. Then what to do? We have to display the please choose the hobby, right? So message will be please select the hobby. Okay, and we have to focus on the hobby, so here will be hobby will be there. Now press Ctrl S and F5. Okay, this also, and this one also. Now try to submit. Please select the gender first, so I will select it gender. Now try to submit it. Please select the hobby first, so now I have to select the hobby again, right? So this way we can select it. Now the last one for this selection. So now write what to write here. We have option document.ct.value cannot be is equals to -1. That means we have didn't select it. Okay, so we have to check the group name for this. So go here, click on the field. Not it is the selection field list is there. So group name is city. So copy this one, come here and use the similar if condition here. So copy this and we'll paste it here and paste it here. If document.registration dot instead of hobby it will be city is equals to what will be the sign will be city dot value will be -1. City dot value is equals to -1. If it is -1 then it is not selected, that's why. Okay, so please select the city first. Okay, and then it should be focus on city. Okay, yes, city dot focus and return it will be false. Now press Ctrl S and F5 it. Insert the data in this, also in this, because this is done. Now this is done. Now try to submit it. Oh, we have done some spelling mistake here. I think that's why it is not happening. Let's see what we have done mistake here. Source code is there. Then go to the here document.registration.ct.value is equals to -1. What to do here? Check it. If document.form1.ct.value is equals to -1. Okay, it is similar, then something we have done wrong, that's why it is not opening. But see, okay, so here is we have to use here 0 because of select city. See, in design view we can say select it and go to the selection list. Here on the 0 index choose the city is there. So if it is by default choose the city is there, so we have to tell that you have to select any city. So choose the city is on 0 value, right? So we will check here. If if document registration city's value is equals to 0, then they have to select the value, right? Now F5 it and use the information like anything, right? And this one I try to submit it. Please select the city first. Okay, now we are going to try to select the city like Baroda and submit. Okay, that means we are going to add all the information, right? So if you delete all the information and try to submit this without any information, then user will not be allowed to send the information without anything, right? Like this. If you try to submit, enter the first name properly. So here we have to write the name. Then if you try to submit it, enter the middle name properly. So here middle name is there. Again, if you try to submit, then the last name we have to enter. Okay, here we have selected that. If you try to submit it again, enter the address properly. So it will be address here. And again, if you try, then you have to select any hobby like this. And again, if you had you have to select the city night. Okay, so this way we can create this form. What we have done here, so in this we have used the JavaScript. How to start the JavaScript? So before after the slash title we will start the function validate form. It is the script tag is there before that, and inside that we have declared the necessary variables using the var and all that variables, and we have checked if it is any value of that text box is null or empty, then we have displayed the alert box, and then after the cursor will move to the on that particular text box or the checkbox. So we have focused on that, Similarly we have checked for the all, and then before the slash head we have closed this script tag also. Okay now students, so this way we can use the JavaScript, because JavaScript is most powerful tool to validate your form. It is based, JavaScript is client based, because before we submit the form, all the data which have entered, it should be in a proper format. That's why JavaScript is used. So students, this much we have learned in this. Okay, after this we are going to solve the exercise in the next chapter, next lesson we will solve it. And before that you have to try to solve this exercise also yourself, and do some this practice at home, because it is also easy. If you see my all the videos in this chapter, then everything will be, everything these kind of things you can do at yourself. Okay, but you need to just see all the videos carefully till the end. Okay, so till then, thank you and bye. And don't forget to share my videos and like my videos, okay, to the, because it is most important to learn practical than the theory. Okay, hope you understood this video. Till then, thank you. Okay.